An Oncilla or tiger cat was released on Wednesday into its natural habitat in Colombia after being rescued from traffickers.
The Oncilla was recovered during a seizure. It was a victim of illegal wildlife trafficking. It arrived as a cub, about 2 months old.
With the backdrop of Vida Maitama moorland, northwest Colombia, the released wildcat left its cage and ran into the forest. The feline was in rehabilitation for 6 months after being rescued by Colombian National Police, who found him confined in a small space, malnourished and with some injuries. The Oncilla or tiger cat is considered a vulnerable species due to habitat loss and illegal hunting.